beto aba de man na dan Akufo Addo man be flag bearer no wo se opesemuni kramoni aba be ye ne running mate so Ronaldo no na opesemuni kramoni no na ya temnidie entu betimi de no e de atoto sabi den time man for no ka Ronaldo no mwi no ana onum cocaine no ana say one more black oto paja pade no eno ya temnidie Franco the hater we want to know there be honorable Kent aka asemi say ya hwe yi a ensemtrofo ana o me say o man ene no kure we Franco ade a waye ya because oh my Dr. Bawumia no I feel proud say I feel pompous say all right Franco kura say omudi atemu bi and Ghana for ye ne mo everane 2026 MPP promise no sabi me kwa na man for free say me hard no at no point in time ana me bie ma no kan say sabi ye bie Dr. Bawumia trim at no point in time ana me kai bie Dr. Bawumia sabi omo kai Dr. Bawumia we prako sabi ono me sa me anka bi da me manka bi da omo sorry a omo timi kai Dr. Bawumia say sabi o ni yeso ni anim nsama ke betima kan fa Dr. Bawumia e ma for be say Dr. Bawumia oyo otese cha
nko na ekwakoto ba yetimi di atama di persona natam nipa no yetimi di natam di ne yire ni na busuafo nyinatam Kennedy camp Bawumia camp omo nyina ya for
they are journalists. Obinya na asem de komo omo. Ye feel say omo the fourth estate of the realm. Omo na eba setting the pace. And who ye journalists are, your duty is to entertain, educate, and inform. But on this call, Franco was misinforming the public. Factual thing say, obi efria na eno baba etem didi. Debi ameka say, omo na omo say, omo ye professional journalist, ye neutral journalist, omo na ese oman no. Because obi ma otia say one dey, wo ye MPP journalist ya. Wonim say assembly obeka bia no, ebe favor MPP for. Wo ye NDC journalist ya. Wonim say omo propagate NDC agenda but koha braha didiha jareha edahan omo huche obia and this kind of journalists o say hwe omo yie omo huche obia chairman na oye Dr. Kwabena Agyapong na juma in the eastern region Dr. Kwabena Agyapong fie pe what was Dr. Bawumia boss say o metu chairman no na branch awurati Yesu ba mere ehene ne ha ana osimu pam no call Dr. Bawumia fie ka chen say ya to aba na wie wo ya frabara no da about it say ade a wonkura ne ye no say wan kasa nche omu amoma ya ade no wa bontene sa afa de meme hwina no ana no sa be wo mehwim a chairman o ye adwuma de ma me in the eastern region wo say wonkura no emetunu dia say wutimi succeed dia count me out from the campaign in 2028 na eno na sisi ane de oh wa na obi so ensem twani no ne na o kan sama ebe ma sabi debate for no ebenya etan no ura ba ko de na no so abayu to sansem no aye Franco the hater bebe twam ne wo solid TV no akwa tena losing TV also program e for the weekly verdict no o kan semi na ne sama wo kan england say won no reason ti a wo say enipa bi eti omo say omo kwa perform the base na proud to the elections no e ya de a honorable Kennedy Agyapong chidifo e kan sama ya e de chair Dr. Bawumia chidifo ana Dr. Bawumia chidifo so no e kan sama ya e de chair Kennedy Agyapong na chidifo enti no who reason ti a wo say ten ho na abusuafo utie Franco the hater nsema wakeka couple enema ode ye program you could see say there's an agenda behind the Franco the hater aye no na me no de be maso American say yetena ha so ye mame so ye papa so ye nua anything na ubeka ebe against the interest honorable Ken Biano will treat you like an enemy and I say the assembly beto ni aka some say sitie owu be a friend of Franco the hater ebrebe na atwam no na ne dijuma e wo solid TV and then our losing TV no tie program bi your friend the weekly verdict na eno ana on one of the flagship program no wakwa kan sem bi na or ye promotion of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia appointment ya wo ye ya Dr. Kwabena Agyapong enim na face no honorable Kennedy Agyapong camp enim no na no that to just say see ane de osha honorable Kennedy Agyapong camp no there's a big confusion in the camp na me pese yanko video de mra ye ba mo nchechemu ewo ensemka
nko na ekwakoto ba yetimi di atama di persona natam nipa no yetimi di natam di ne yire ni na busuafo nyinatam Kennedy camp Bawumia camp omu nyina ya fort ene obi ni bibia na sai ena Bawumia yire kra wonya Ghana ni oye fulani ni no be akaway and Bawumia yire wotimi top bag ye funny hems $350,000 was new mine ho no make kan wo yo people make a lot of serious allegations against the flag bearer ne yire coming from the camp of Kennedy Agyapong kofo ombe dinatem then the rebata so beba rebata na beba will come from Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia camp no so to be Kennedy Agyapong na me say If you look at all the videos of Kennedy Agyapong, they are opposite Kennedy. Kennedy or Tenasi didn't want to mean Kasa. And they branch and a kind. Or say me, ye miti so that now we are beauty. So that statement alone, Papa Nkwat Nasi in a closet moment. No, yes, video na rao.
Yes, Abusha, for that Franco the hater. Now, Franco the hater say, before say ye baba to abano. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong Ekasaitia Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and Hokani. Ana Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia Agyapong so Ekasaitia Honorable Ken. Na me pese Franco the hater ono na numu nsem me di ebuano ti o say Franco say the camp of Kennedy Agyapong made a lot of allegations against Dr. Bawumia and Hokani. Now me pese ye share the meaning of allegation. Over this na they all say an unapproved claims or accusation that someone has done something wrong or illegal. Now Franco sabi me anase honorable Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong e can say Sammy Bawumia eye fulani ni ba. This is not an allegation. A fact and a state. O Franco o ta atna o say o ye bunu ni enti nete shaibula sisi kwa tamba ebi kase Franco the hater bunu ni a anya allegation anya unapproved or illegal statement ya make a fact obi anim say Sammy Bawumia eye fulani ni. So these are not allegations. And obi asu nim say fulani for omun free Ghana. But no by virtue to say but wo no Ghana into a Ghana ni. But it doesn't stop say we are fulani ni. And I was say and the say allegation say Sammy Bawumia Akoto bags and board. It is not an allegation. A fact a state. Because man Sammy Bawumia enama bags so kran a hands. Na wo Franco ne kwane ko gogo na hwe hems bo DNJ bo bags ya Sammy Bawumia kura no enya allegation aya facts and ya state na afere yamra me I don't know say so kase obi e fulani ni aya tinidie I don't know so kase obi e sabi mampusini kusasini dagobani asantini frafani aya tinidie. Just a Franco the hater eba be kan kire me say these facts is stating you know allegation and for that matter a insult. And Franco the hater, let me be honest with you. I know say you want to protect make us udin. Oh sorry I say we credible journalist. But let me state emphatically say ebia content na we create no if there was something behind it fine but so be kind of now you credible journalist what na Ghana ha won't mean can't me shaibula sisi and my here for say stating a fact that Sammy Bawumia e fulani ni stating a fact says Sammy Bawumia e Owusu expensive bags e ya timidie and I won't me and can't me say obi obeka se bi honorable Kennedy Agyapong aboa wo so no enim nyansa che no or evil mind or anti-party behavior se bi ya bie ni trimu Kennedy Agyapong enene mwa Kennedy Agyapong enene ponche ubetimi a compare this insult to say ya best state fact say Sammy Bawumia e fulani ni. You can't just be a Franco you were on a mission say you want to do a diabolic job and their favor your paid masters. But to state emphatically say Sammy Bawumia fulani ni ayatemidie. To state a fact say the former second lady used the most expensive bags. The former first lady take it here kunkum bag ya stars. Ayatemidie. Awo de no baba toto. Dr. Bawumia ne ba koka o kan sabi Kennedy Agyapong ya bie ni trim sabi Dr. Bawumia ba lawyer Boakye Junior tim be kan say obi agese ya won mpani ansa we tim atena se ad reason kama no the same won tim fa matoto Kennedy Agyapong kan say sabi aboa sorry abronye a o kan say sebio abo so ni nyansa che Kennedy Agyapong. And you see, these are the people omu claim say omu ye credible, omu ye independent journalists. Trust make analysis say so be state facts. Say Sammy Bawumia, the former first lady, ye Fulani ni a what did attempt. Akoto beka say obi ye tani adna okan say ayetim di. Na okan say obi Asante a ayetem di. Oka say obi Asante no say nya atem di. Oka say obi abun nya atem di. Oka say obi Fulani nya atem di. Just a Franco the hater ebe kan che me shaibula sisi say ene no u state obi tribe ofiri mu ba ayetem di. Ye to aba de man na dan Akufo Addo man be frag bearer no. Wo say opesemuni kramoni aba be ye ne running mate. So na do no na opesemuni kramoni no na ya temdidie. Entu betimi de no e de atoto sabi den time man for no ka na do no mwi no ana onum koke no ana say one more black oto pa japade no. Every ya temdidie. Franco the hater, we want to know. And there be honorable Kent I can say me say ya hwe ya and some trofo and on sell mine and no kre we are Franco adia waye ya because say my Dr. Bawumia no I feel proud say I feel pompous say all right Franco kra say mu di atemu bi and Ghana for ye no mo everyone 2026 MPP promise no sabi me kwa na man for free say me hard no at no point in time and me be man no can say sabi ye be Dr. Bawumia trim at no point in time and me can be Dr. Bawumia sabi omo kan Dr. Bawumia we prako sabi ono me sa me anka bi da me manka bi da omo sorry a omo ti ka Dr. Bawumia say sabi o ni yeso ni animensama Kebet maka for Dr. Bawumia. Emma for be say Dr. Bawumia or your autistic child. What is say can be? And these forecasts are seven. What is say can be that? We never said so. Because a idea and this for and no feel say omre Dr. Bawumia any tracker be out. They will say all these things against Dr. Bawumia. Yeah, yan can be that. But MPP ni etimi hwe nyame and answer Dr. Bawumia bon pa. Ebe kan say Kennedy Agyapong ya bie ni tim sabi lawyer Boakye Junior me chen be brave but otimi akọ Kennedy Agyapong ni school days akọ gi ni school fees esa betena fidie so edidi Kennedy Agyapong atem and who frank one condemn sa de we na da wo ba be kan che say the mere fact say ya state said Sammy Bawumia the former first lady eye Fulani no eno so ya temdidie antino aya 1-1 draw and Franco the hater Ghana ana say we ase fine fa ana state obi region ofiri mu obi tribe ofiri mu ba aya factual aya temdidie sabi Sammy Bawumia so oye Fulani ni na say ekoka the sabi oye frafani kompa ebia ba bia ofiri no ana ya san but ye ni na tem because onye ni panche frafrafo onye ni panche other tribe but to state emphatically say Sammy Bawumia Fulani o si atendidie now Frank who ka sa asem no busa ho say 2024 elections no campaign mu Sammy Bawumia ko hia Fulani for ewo wa upper west region Sammy Bawumia deliberately was meeting the Fulani community so stating say Fulani no ayi atendia why was she meeting the Fulani community to come fight for vote for the husband? And the former first lady before her power ni kuru power no ni enim star or dressing and ni kuru be vice president ye who say what to expensive bag at the expense of Ghana for enya for awmini nsopa no sabio the former first lady man Rebecca Akufo Addo ACMBU AC hospitals no so ni sika top bags aboarding and sasemo ye kan Franco the hater and no word define sad say ayetemdidie say we set things go into the veins of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and yere because kasa na yere Fulani ni and that is what collating stating a fact but you tribe will be free say oye Fulani ni now Frank me busa say one fairly form da e also che hometown e bia kasa do a wo betimi aka ebia metuma kan fante metuma kan Asante metuma kan dagaba metuma kan we metuma kan besa enti na eno na mo ba ye de atemnidie udi ho atemana. And you see, they are journalists. Obinya na asem de komo mo. Ye feel say omo the fourth estate of the realm. Omo na eba be set the pace. And who ye journalists are, your duty is to entertain, educate, and inform. But on this call, Franco was misinforming the public. He was not educating the public. Because I never ma obi ati ase say so state factual thing say obi Afriyie na eno baba etem didi sabi mama Rebecca Akufo Addo ye ni se na ado aye ochini na yiri mama Rebecca Akufo Addo aye enkrani ono Kennedy Agyapong efiri asen na yiri mama Kennedy Agyapong efiri Asante mampo Asante ni ba Dr. Laji Mahamadu Bawumia ye nim se ofiri North East oyema mpusini na yiri Sammy Bawumia aye fulani ni and who stated this factor and some trouble for Ghana say attended and Gyamfi Koto lawyer botwe dia ho abronya dia ho koka dia ho and crofo a na Dr. Bawumia bom pa mo di Kennedy Agyapong atem and ye Kennedy Agyapong support ye ni basis a say the free people because ye say di o matem me Franco the hater me man opportunity so otimi ko puli video a Kennedy Agyapong chidini Eddie Dr. Bawumia ko tena TV so radio so on the social media sabi eka sema ya te say die abonye kan say abo wo sunu enim nyansa che Kennedy Agyapong or anti-party behavior lawyer botwe say Kennedy Agyapong sabi o obetimi atranse adwena kanyansa sema gesi awo ne panie sabi koka say ya bie Kennedy Agyapong trimu no say Franco etimi mami one video me jade base na baby Franco pesa me kono makọ akwa ye adwuma de amano until then Franco claims no false claims ne ya mamu hide behind say mo ye professional journalist there be me can say omo nam omo say omo ye professional journalist ye neutral journalist omo na ese oman no because obi ba otia say won dey wo ye MPP journalist ya wonim say assembly obeka bia no ebe favor MPP for or ye NDC journalist wonim say omo na propagate NDC agenda but koha braha didiha jaleha edah omo hu che obia and this kind of journalists o say omo ye omo hu che obia because now he wanted to be in the middle of the case. So be kind of kra asechi kind of kra Dr. Bawumia and the camp no say adia mo ye no mo anya ade no adia mo ye mo anya ade no he want to play the neutrality here and Kennedy Agyapong can be and we also can be but Franco the hater me kind of asem ebra honorable Ken ko join Dr. Bawumia back in 2024 na man for blast shy blast say di matem me ka obi ka kire me say onim kwanya me fa so ibu ga tro BC pass here etwa SSC eto aso na me nim nyansa Franco tro kan say honorable Ken nim say ko ba join Dr. Bawumia na vehicle na ye MP na ni kwa so attack sa vehicle no enti ema 2026 no honorable Ken was sticking to the campaign message. He didn't want to say anything about MPP. And over here 2026, honorable Ken or conducting the campaign clean. Moka said 2024 primaries, and honorable Ken can say the MPP went into opposition in 2022. A month for say one Akoto MPP honorable Ken can say omu lutu a man as if there's no tomorrow. Na Ghana for honorable Ken can say na man for say honorable Ken egu MPP anumase. Meba but Franco be stated this fact say this when some honorable Ken e kafa MPP one ehun hia say obekọ akọ join Dr. Bawumia baas no. And say ya futu out the buy ya honorable Ken any team ni tie Emma 2026 no honorable Ken conduct a very clean campaign, divorce of attack, divorce of insult, execute to the campaign. It is also Kafenko at this time no what so catcher Dr. Bawumia said no one him so be no appointed Dr. Kwabena Agyapong honorable Kennedy Agyapong say omo meye adwuma emfa man dia na nensama na wa rent boys the errand boys say omo attack Kwabena Agyapong omo attack Kennedy Agyapong no na kenu kwa so omo ye say na Dr. Bawumia nim say after prime minister obehia Kennedy Agyapong obehia Kwabena Agyapong na kenu kwan say wo rent boys bi say abronye koka lawyer Boche junior so omo attack Kennedy Agyapong and brand they label 10 sins of Kwabena Agyapong. And one of the major sin, I almost say fertilizer. Fertilizer, me so me what? Evidence I just say, Dr. Bawumia na chidi for Kwabena Agyapong koso. I'm a chemical free finance ministry. I'm a medical clear fertilizer because almost say, fertilizer na anko, ni a twins of Bawumia lusa Kwabena Agyapong, but tini kakafui. And also mpese, sabi, akwado bawo. Nanu akwame wo wie achim nya da ba behye no ana omo ye sad no ba ye de fertilizer ko du soro ho no Dr. Bawumia kromfo ne tondi ewie eche na ye label as a sin against Kwabena Agyapong. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ehun say me ye MPP ni from 1992 and a tea party and Dr. Bawumia joined 2007 and there was no way I may go hard after any of the presidential candidate. There was no way me attack party no. But Dr. Bawumia never thought say he was going to win this election, and after winning the election, he will need Brian Aduchum honorable Kennedy Agyapong. And why near so Frank Ahodia would criticize Kennedy Agyapong in 2023. Kafasa Ahodia no criticize Dr. Bawumia. Ne just so person who play rough neutrality no. Emfa. Now how dear Kwaku Annan yabet na busia for de omunie Dr. Kwabena Agyapong akwa Dr. Bawumia warning na edi a de kofa asade na baaye Dr. Kwabena Agyapong say ye to abawie ye no Dr. Bawumia na anwe ni otinche and wo share because ye do campaign time wona kwa akoto committees won kan hwe afei Dr. Kwabena Agyapong chidifo a omo support ni nya no ena north east yesa man contest echina northern region western region upper west do chese bono hafo asante region won se won kan hwe afede wote ho a chairman na oye Dr. Kwabena Agyapong na juma in the eastern region Dr. Kwabena Agyapong fie pe otwa Dr. Bawumia boss say o metu chairman no na brand say awurati Yesu ba Mary ehene ne ha ana osimu pam no call Dr. Bawumia fie ka chen say ya to oba na wie wo ya frabara no doubt about it say adia won kura ne ye no say wan kasa nchi omo amoma ya de ne wa bontene sa afa de meme hwena no ana omo no sa be wo mehwim a chairman oye adwuma de ma me in the eastern region wo say on kura no emetunu dia say wutimi succeed a count me out from the campaign in 2028. Asam no aye murder case. Asam no aye murder case. E say Dr. Kwabena Agyapong ba bi asam no kwa kodu no. What Dr. Bawumia won was say ye ko prime minister no. Eniama me ye edeboa campaign during the primaries 2023 November 4 there and even with the general election sa chairman we ba bonte be kan wo chidi for ba be dispute man carry meaning so internal contest and talk aka no kra na mo de namu ba se ya to aba na wie nipa ba support me no mo be ya ma na ni aye ne ya ama pam mo nya to the sense bi next time no sa me kwa menya obi enti mo ya ade na me mfichi afa de mabubuwa no de Dr. Bawumia enne ka Kennedy Agyapong showdown ka media mediba no ke so chance ade no ento akwa Dr. Bawumia won say ade na chidi fo ne ye again Kennedy Agyapong support on no can so ye ho no so no Brian Dear said Dr. Bowman debating region be a unipo, but send if you party. Was one tias yet. And the Kabaku name. Was this a sad in the course of Dr. Bawumia and Kashi? Now, yet for the camera be just so, and I made I have no candidate over. Not so, I dare say now catch up, say, Mumia, dear. Was it election 2028? No, count me out. And somehow, Kyle, where's a brand a using say? Sadio Koswa, election 2028, count me out. Because Bawumia Campaign 18%. Already, honorable Ken. 23% here they call that the achieve true to 18 now. As you brand 18 come 18 now. I'm checking him some about I'm 12 because baby naba honorable Ken camp. Interbution for baby asem na Kwaku do aye critical. I'm a brand Kwaku che Dr. Bawumia warning because one for ani diama no. Ebra wodne to committee so no. Na chidi force no say ayo mu say masa aye bloody. Two abide the man and I don't go for the man by a fragment. Was say or pesemuni clamoni ababa yen running mate. So the nado now pesemuni clamoni na yatemidi. And to bet me they are no edda to sebi. Then time man for them can nado no win and on cocaine. And I said one more black or top pajapadiano. Every atemidi. Franco we want to know. There be honorable Kent I can't say me say ya here and some for and on sell mine and we are Franco adia why because oh my Dr. Bawumia I feel proud say I feel pompous say all right Franco Cries so mudi atemu and Ghana for ye no more everyone 2026 MPP prime minister no sebi me kwa na man for free say me hard no at no point in time and I me be man no can say sebi ye be Dr. Bawumia trim at no point in time and me can be Dr. Bawumia sebi omo ka Dr. Bawumia we prako sebi ono me sa me anka bi da me manka bi da omo sorry a omo ti ka Dr. Bawumia say sebi o ni yeso ni ani men sama ke bet ma kan fa Dr. Bawumia e ma for be say Dr. Bawumia oyo otese cha
akwakoto ba yetimi di atama di persona natam nipa no yetimi di natam di ne yire ne na busuafo nyina atam Kennedy camp Bawumia camp omu nyina ya for.
They are journalists. Obinya na asem de come on. Ye feel say omo the fourth estate of the realm. Omo na eba setting the pace. And we journalists, your duty is to entertain, educate, and inform. But on this call, Franco was misinforming the public. Factual thing say obi Afriyie na eno ba betem didi. Dey be America say omo na omo say omo ye professional journalist, ye neutral journalist. Omo na say oman no because obi na otia say on dey we MPP journalist ya. Wonim say assembly obeka bia no ebe favor MPP for. We NDC journalist ya. Wonim say omo propagate this agenda but koha braha didiha jareha edan omo hu che obia and this kind of journalists say o omo ye omo hu che obia chairman na oye Dr. Kwabena Agyapong na juma in the eastern region Dr. Kwabena Agyapong fear pe what was Dr. Bawumia boss say o metu chairman no na branch awati yesu ba mere ehene ne ha ana osimu pam no call Dr. Bawumia fi ka chen say ya to oba na wie we ya frabara no doubt about it say adia won kura ne ye no say wan kasa nche omu amoma ya de ne wa bonten sa afa de meme hwena no ana omo sa be wo mehwim a chairman oye adwuma de ma me in the eastern region wo say on kura no emetunu dia say wutimi succeed dia count me out from the campaign in 2028.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.